In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneNote template. We'll begin right at your desktop. Make sure you're in OneNote on the page you want to turn into a template. Before saving, take a moment to get the page exactly how you'd like it to look every time you use it. Add headings, placeholders, checklists, tables, or images, and set the page color or rule lines if you use them. Think of this as your master layout. Anything on the page now will be part of the template each time you apply it later. Next, look to the top of the OneNote window and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. This tab collects tools for adding content and page features. If you don't see the Insert tab or the options look different, you might be using a version of OneNote that doesn't include templates. Page templates are available in the OneNote desktop app for Windows. If the button mentioned in this video isn't there, switch to that version to access templates at this default. With the Insert tab open, click Page Templates. This opens the templates pane on the right side of your screen. You'll see categories of built-in designs, but since you're creating your own, focus on the controls in this pane rather than choosing a preset. In the templates pane, click Save Current Page as a template. This option captures the page's layout, text, images, tags, and formatting, so you can reuse it without rebuilding anything. It's a great way to standardize meeting notes, project pages, or recurring checklists. You'll be prompted to name your template. Type a clear, descriptive name that will make sense later. Consider including the purpose and, if helpful, the team or date format you follow. For example, meeting notes, weekly or project brief, marketing. A good name keeps your templates organized and easy to find. Finally, click Save. Your template is now stored under My Templates in the Templates pane. To use it in the future, create a new page and open Page Templates from the Insert tab, then choose your template from My Templates. OneNote will generate a fresh page with the same structure every time. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you don't see page templates, you're likely in a version that doesn't support them. Switch to the OneNote desktop app for Windows. You can refine your template anytime by updating a page and saving it again as a new template. And if you want a section to always start with this design, you can set it as the default from the same templates pane. That's it. Your OneNote template is ready to streamline your workflow.